today's video is about reasoning test reasoning test 1 part 2. Okay, I have already done part 1 wherein I have covered 18 questions, okay, out of 30 questions. Whoever missed, try to watch that part. Okay, this is the second part which will be helpful for your upcoming SBI PO prelims. Okay, this is the previous year's memory based paper. Okay, now we will see the 19th question. Okay, nostalgia. Okay, out of 30 questions, okay, not only in SBO, other scale 1 officers also, you will get to see one question of such alpha. They will give some word and they will ask to find like forward or backward, whatever it is, in the alphabetical order, how many letters will be there between them. Okay, so easy one, and we can score 1 mark in or 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, now we will see the answer. Okay, now M N O S T C D I E F G H I J K L M N O J K L. Okay, only I'm getting only 3 anamata. Okay, so in general I will do like this only, ante immediate letters. Okay, for example I E F G H I kada, J K L M N O. So in this way, few people they will write the numbers. For example A ante 1, as A to Z 26 letters are there. So A1, I9, G7, L12. Okay, if you can remember, like if you have that number to that particular number on your tips, then you can write numbers like 1, okay, 20, 19, 15, 14. Okay, in this way also, after writing the numbers, you can easily guess the answer. Okay, 14, 15, 1, 19, 20, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, until 15 minus 9, 5 letters should be there between them. So in the, as you wish, as you feel comfortable in whichever you way, but this will take some time. Okay, but if you remember in your brain like A, B, C, D, if you can check like that, you will get the answer. Otherwise, some people, if they don't remember the numbers, they will write in this way. They will divide 26 letters into 13, G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. If you can write speed, then 1, 2, 3. In this way, they will number anamata. Okay, either way, and they will write the number of the given word anamata. But it will take some time. You will definitely get the answer, but it will take time anamata. So try directly doing the numbers between them. If you are immediate letters, then you can easily mark 1, or else numbers you can directly do anamata. Okay, if you feel like that is difficult, then at least remember the numbers, like A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. Okay, then you can write the numbers and count the letters between them anamata. Okay, now next 20 question, one more puzzles. 7% DHJLNOT are participating in different sports. Okay, boxing and all, tennis, going in different months, Jan to July, same year, all. So here 3 factors they have given. One is persons, next sports, and event, sports event, and next is the months. So here 7 months kabatti I will take 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So obviously manaki fixed kabatti months January, February, March, April, May, June, July. This also don't write again full names. Okay, either write first word or at least write Jan, March. Okay, May, MM. Again, if you feel like you will get confused, then okay, try to write in this way. Now we will take the hints anamata. 2 persons go between D and J who takes part in archery. 2 persons D and J takes part in archery. Okay, next T doesn't take part in chess. Okay, try to remember that T will not take, or else you can write here T chess kadane. But I feel like whatever they have given, definitely try to write, but don't write the negative words. Okay, again you will get confused in exam. O takes part before June but after J. So before June means Jan to May, but they have said after J. If I take J here, ante at least one after 1 person means one month we should exclude, ante Feb to May. So 4 possibilities are there for O. Before June and after J ante maybe if we take J in January, then Feb, March, April, May. 4 possibilities of O. Again, don't write 4 options like February or March or April, okay? Just try to remember in your mind. Otherwise, try write like this, okay? Keep it a whole and write that maybe O will be there in this 4 because we have only event kabatti, okay? Next, I will do in this like this only in exam, okay? Again, don't make another, it will take time anamata, okay? Try to remember in your mind. Next, O takes part before the one who takes part in cycling have event scheduled in March, okay? So cycling is in March, fixed. Cycling is in March, okay? Next, D takes part before May in boxing. So D is boxing and that too before May. So before May means 4 possibilities are there for D. Okay, but they said that it is boxing. So M March chance ledu. So either January, February, April, D untadannamata. D boxing and 3 possibilities are there. Okay, try to remember it. Next, only 2 persons have event after the one who have the event of shooting. So after shooting only 2 persons will have event ante definitely male untadi. 1 2 after shooting kabatti 2 persons between L and H, okay? 2 persons between L and H. Okay, you can either way write here J or D, D or J, L, H, H, L. Okay, unless they give specifically D comes before J or H will comes L. But I will write in the same way because they have not particularly mentioned that which one is first. So I will write in the same way as they mentioned anamata, okay? If they particularly give like L, 2 persons are there between L and H, but H will have event before L ante you can write H and L, okay? If not, write in the same way how they have given, okay? Unless they have given any condition, particular condition. T have event immediately after L. So L immediately after L means there will be no persons between them. After L, T will be there. Next, N have event before H and after D. So before H N untundi but after D, okay? But not immediately after D, immediately, and they have not mentioned, but try to remember that before H only N event will have and after D only N will have, but we don't know whether it is immediately or some persons will be there. Now we on the last hint is N doesn't have event of chess and tennis. So N doesn't deal with ante event with chess or tennis, okay? Now we will club this clues in this puzzle anamata. Now 2 persons there between D and J. If I take now, see, I will write in the same way. If I write D here, 2 persons after J means here I will get J, and O is after J but before J means only one possibility is there. So I can write here. If I take D here, okay, 1 2 J will come here, but again after J shooting ante, so it is not possible. So I will take D here. I hope you are getting. I should write D here. You can take L and T also, but L 1 2 H ante where will I write J, where will I write O anamata. So J ki ikkada link undi kabatti and we should write O before June kabatti I will take this first clue in this first priority anamata, okay? So J is archery. I hope you are getting it, okay? Next, definitely O should come here because before June kabatti J and O. Now next enti L and T is immediately, okay? 2 persons are there between L and H kada. If I take L here, 2 persons ante raadu. If I take here 2 persons here, but L and T should be immediately after kabatti L and T I will get here. I hope you are getting it, okay? If I take L here, 2 persons means O undi kabatti H ki chance ledu. Here L will be there, H will be there, but after L T is playing immediately, so ఇది లేదు, okay? So now L and T. Now only 2 possibilities are there, N, H. So already clue undi, N will go before H and after D. So here let us fill అయినాయి కదా, okay? So D already boxing. Now N, L, T 3 persons. So here chess 2 ఉన్నాయి. T doesn't take part chess and N doesn't have even chess. So N chess కాదు, T కాదు. So remaining L chess. ఓకే, అండ్ డజంట్ ప్లే టెన్నిస్ అంటే ఆబ్వియస్లీ టెన్నిస్ ఉంటుంది. రిమైనింగ్ స్పోర్ట్స్ అంటే ఏంది, బాక్సింగ్, యోగా. So okay, so this is the overall puzzle. Okay, hardly in one go only, if you carefully write the clues, less than 2 minutes you can complete this puzzle. Okay, while I was doing for the first time, I got it at 2 minutes some 3 seconds like that. Okay, maximum in 2 minutes you can complete these puzzles because clues are clear. Because sometimes if they want to make puzzle more difficult, they will give number of days. Okay, now n will have an event having number 30 days, okay, or even number of days, months. Okay, but obviously whenever you are practicing this month based puzzles, try to remember days also. Here they have not given, but remember that Jan 31, okay, 12 months, how many days, Feb 28, everyone will remember 28 or 29 leap year. March 30, 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 30. How you see how I will remember ante, see here, I know this many of you will note here 31 days, and this down gaps 30. Okay, January, February, March, April, again May, June, July, again August. Okay, most of the people will get confused here. July also 31. Some people they will remember alternately 131, 130, 31, 30. But again after July, again August anamata 31, 31, and February will have 28 or 29 days. Okay, try to remember this also. Okay, here they have not given a clue related to number of days or month, but they have given directly clues kabatti it is easy puzzle. Okay, now we will answer the questions. If n is related to j, క్లమ్జీ అయిపోయింది కదా రైటింగ్. ఇఫ్ ఎన్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు జే అంటే ఆల్టర్నేట్, ఎన్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు జే అండ్ హెచ్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఓ. ఎన్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు జే, హెచ్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు, దెన్ హూ అమంగ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు టీ. ఎన్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు జే, హెచ్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఓ, దెన్ టీ దేనితో రిలేటెడ్, ఆబ్వియస్లీ టీ ఓతోనే కదా, ఆల్టర్నేట్గా ఉంది. ఎన్జే, సారీ అంతే, NJHOOT. How many persons have event between month of D and J? D and J, 1 or 2. If you get the puzzle, if you get this in 2 minutes, in remaining 10 seconds you can answer directly anamata. 100% accuracy will be there. Okay, but if you write the one puzzle ante one clue wrong, then entire puzzle will go wrong. Here only you will get stuck anamata. Maximum with good practice you will get the puzzle in second attempt ante maximum first attempt లో ఉంటుంది, ఇఫ్ యూ కేర్ఫుల్లీ అబ్జర్వ్ ద క్లూ, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ 2 సెకండ్ అటెంప్ట్ అంతే. బట్ డోంట్ స్టే అట్ వన్ పజిల్ మోర్ దెన్ 3 attempts. ఓకే, 3 attempts చేసిన ఇంకా పజిల్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ ఉంది, because in exam time you don't watch the time regularly kada, it will go on. Okay, but if you stuck at one puzzles in ego antar etlana, I will ekkodo I have done small mistake, I will practice one more time, I will try one more time ani, don't waste that time. Okay, try for once, second maximum. Okay, that too after completing all miscellaneous. If you have time, then go for third attempt. Okay, try only first attempt or max second attempt ante. If time is there, third attempt. Okay, but don't go on try one puzzle more than 4-5 minutes. Okay, next, which of the following represents the people who have event in Feb and July? Feb is N, July L, J and L. Feb July కదా, సారీ N, J కాదు, N and L. ఏది N లేదేంది, ఈవెంట్ ఫెబ్ ఈవెంట్ ఎన్నే కదా ఇది, డి. నెక్స్ట్ జూలై, అచ్చా జూలై టీ కదా, ఇది జూన్, సీట్లై ఎల్, ఎన్ అండ్ టీ. ఓకే, క్లమ్సీ. ఓకే, ఎగ్జామ్ అంటే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను కాబట్టి ఇయర్ ఎగ్జామ్ డోంట్ రైట్ కట్స్ ఫాస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ యువర్ ఓన్ రైటింగ్ ఈవెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ 30-40 seconds. ఓకే, ఇన్ విచ్ ఈవెంట్ ఎన్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ పార్ట్? యోగా. నెక్స్ట్, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ రిప్రజెంట్స్ ద మంత్ ఇన్ విచ్ ఓ హ్యాస్ ఈవెంట్? ఓ, షూటింగ్ అంటే మే. నెక్స్ట్, ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ మిస్సెలేనియస్. ఐ హోప్ ఓకే, ఈజీ పజిలే. నెక్స్ట్, ఫ్యాబ్రికేటింగ్. again one more alphabetical size. Fabricating. Okay, from the word, again this also one more easy and important model you will get to see. Okay, from that previous alphabetical order, here they will ask to pick, you know, some letters like enta using third, fourth, 1 2 3 4 6th 7th from the left hand కదా, obviously 99% left hand ఉంటుంది. 3 4 5 6 7 letters from the left hand only once. What would be the second letter of the word? If no meaningful word can be found, marks X. More than one అయితే Y. Okay, so here they have given third, fourth, sixth, seventh. Okay, BRCA. Okay, this is the word. If we have meaningful word, then ఇక్కడ 3 ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనకు ఆన్సర్ చేయడానికి. ఇఫ్ మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వర్డ్, వాట్ ఈస్ సెకండ్ లెటర్ ఫ్రమ్ ది, వాట్ ఈస్ ది సెకండ్ లెటర్ ఆఫ్ ద వర్డ్? ఓకే, స్టార్టింగ్ అయిన లెటర్, బికాస్ 4 letters ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి నాట్ లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ దే హ్యావ్ నాట్ మెన్షన్. వాట్ వుడ్ బి ది సెకండ్ లెటర్ ఆఫ్ ద వర్డ్? ఇఫ్ దే హ్యావ్ నాట్ మెన్షన్ లెఫ్ట్ అండ్ రైట్, ఆబ్వియస్గా మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వర్డ్ అయ్యాక యూ షుడ్ గో ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఓన్లీ. నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఈస్ నో మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వర్డ్ ఎక్స్, మోర్ దెన్ వన్ మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వర్డ్ అయితే Y. Okay, now we will see the possibility. BRCA. Okay, crab. Okay, crab, sea animal. Okay, actually carb అంటే don't write carb. Okay, shortcuts will not work out in this vocabulary exam లో, you know, shortcuts, short words, abbreviation words work out అవ్వవు. Don't again keep answer by carb ఉంది, crab ఉంది కదా అని. Carb is the carbohydrate shortcut people generally use, but it's not a word అనమాట, అంటే అఫీషియల్ వర్డ్ టు ఆన్సర్. సో crab, second word is R. Okay, here this also a little bit tricky anamata. If you can arrange in less time, okay, with good number of practice, number of questions, you will get to arrange anamata jumbled words. Okay, normally I will answer this type of questions correctly only because I like puzzle games untai kada, sudoku type letters jumbled. I used to play a lot when I purchased the phone in my early stage, and temple runs etlago. In the same way, ఈ vocabulary puzzles కూడా used to solve అనమాట. సో దట్ హెల్ప్డ్ మీ హియర్ అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ పజిల్ 26 to 30, వన్ మోర్. నెక్స్ట్ 14 people. ఓకే, అంతా 14 people సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ 2 parallel rows. ఓకే, see this 14 people అంటే ఇట్స్ అ లిటిల్ ఛాలెంజింగ్ అని అనాలి. అండ్ ఐ ఆల్వేస్, you know, whenever see more than 2 parallel, okay, how much practice you may do, mostly 2 parallel means you will get up in second attempt only. If less than, అంటే 5 and less than 5, mostly in scale 1 level 10%, అంటే 5 definitely you will get to see, not less than 5 or more you will be see. If it is 5%, try to do in one attempt, but my personal suggestion it is, if it is more than 5, take at a time take 2 options, because there will be many clue, because 14% related clues ante definitely I feel like, you know, it will take less time only if you do fast. Okay, try to increase your speed anamata. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, before clue itself I will write in this way. Okay, because mostly if we increase our speed in writing like this, it will, you know, clumsy ఉండదన్నమాట. డైరెక్ట్లీ క్లూస్ we can directly start again, you know, doing one thing again, any mistake again, drawing from the start again, reading the clues from the first time, until it will take some time. So mostly when I will do such parallel lines more than 5%, I will do 2 possibilities at a time anamata. Okay, now here row 1 row 2. సో we will see north 1 row 1 ఎవరు, row 2 ఎవరు అని. row 1 ఫేసింగ్ నార్త్. ఓకే, అంటే నార్త్ అంటే ఇది కదా, ఇది row 1, ఇది row 2. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారంటే A to G row 1. ఓకే, సో ABCD హియర్ PQR. Okay, just remember that ever north lo ever south lo, ఇది కూడా important. Okay, now we will take clues. G sits third to the left of A and neither of them sit at the end of the row. So G sits third to the left, but an end of the row means like the extreme ends anna ive. Okay, terminology very very important. If you take one clue wrong, entire puzzle will go wrong. So extreme ends anna end of the row ante ive, either right end or left end, whatever it is. So here they said that G is sitting third to the left of A, but neither of them ante both will not sit end A. And if I take A here, see left means here. Okay, ikkada kada ABCD undi. Okay, so here, so left means obviously I should take here because this will be right, and here left. So here I will write A ikkada chance లేదు extreme end కాబట్టి A here 1 2 3 G sits third to the left of A. Another possibility is here no possible, here I have already written A possibility 1 2 3. Okay, again A will not come here because if I write A here, I should write G here at extreme end. So this is one clue. Okay, some people, if they are good at practice, sometimes if they are not confident about not getting because only persons and directions they have given, again they didn't give another factor like they like something, or if they like something or the other we can write here. For example, like previously sports anko, like A likes some yoga anukondi, we can write here. But since we have only these two factors, only persons and directions kabatti, few people without doing another possibility they will write here ante AG ikkada rasaru kabatti again they will write AG here. అంటే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాకుండా, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ అబౌట్ నాట్ గెట్టింగ్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్, దెన్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ పజిల్స్ ఓన్లీ, అంటే టేకింగ్ టూ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఇన్ వన్ ఫ్రేమ్ అనమాట. బట్ ఐ పర్సనల్లీ సజెస్ట్, బికాస్ ఎగ్జామ్ టైం ఎంత కాదనుకున్నా యూ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ గెట్ టెన్స్డ్. వన్ స్మాల్ మిస్టేక్ ఎంటైర్ పజిల్ విల్ గో రాంగ్. సో ఇట్స్ బెటర్ టు టేక్, ఎందుకంటే బిసైడే కాబట్టి యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ డూ ఫాస్ట్గా రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే, బట్ డోంట్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ క్లూ, neither the one who faces A sits to the immediate left of Q. The one who faces A sits immediate left of Q. Take it. Okay, so the one who faces A sits immediate here. Immediate means left of Q. Okay, left of Q. Next, only one person sits between P and Q. One person's ante either ikkada vastadi, ikkada vastadi P. So two possibilities again, here. Okay, so again two possibilities, and again don't make two possibilities, just try to remember and go for the next clue. Try to remember, either remember in your mind or else write arrow like this. Okay, we have chance of P here and only one person kabatti. Now U sits third to the right of P. So luckily we have clue related to P immediately. So U sits third to the right of P. If I take P here, I can write U third kabatti write 1 2 3 U I will get here. If I write P here, I can't write U kabatti definitely P here undali. Okay, I hope you are getting. I can write P here also, only two possibilities. But if I write P here, third to the right means 1 2. I can't write U kabatti P definitely ikkada undali. 1 2 3. So ikkada, so in the same way here aina ante 1 2 3. Okay, if you observe clue, actually puzzles are of interesting and easy scoring topic. But exam tension lo, or else how people made that puzzles are difficult ani. Puzzles are simple only if you observe the clue correctly. Okay, next, with practice you will easily solve puzzle anamata. Scoring topic, you observe who people who got higher scores, like sectional scores, if they solve minimum two puzzles they will get easily 20 plus. Now 30 questions in prelims ante they will get 20 plus easily if they cover two puzzles at least. Almost 4 puzzles, I guess 20 marks are of puzzles only, 10 miscellaneous. So difference between those who score more than 20 and less than 20 is puzzles anamata. Puzzles will be deciding factor. Okay, next, only one U sits, the one who faces U sits third to the left of C. So one who faces U sits third to the left of C ante idi left kada. So C 1 2 3 faces U ante 1. Okay, 1 2 3, the person who sits third to the left of C faces U. Okay, when you are drawing also try to write oppositely only. Again don't write here in this way malli itla ila. Okay, don't do such way. Okay, especially when they are facing opposite to each other, parallel lines ante. Okay, next, V sits immediate to the left of R. విఆర్ హియర్ పాసిబిలిటీ లేదు. విఆర్ అంటే వి ఈస్ ఇమీడియట్లీ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్. సో హియర్ ఇది లెఫ్ట్ కాబట్టి ఇఫ్ ఐ రైట్ ఆర్ హియర్, సో వి ఐ విల్ గెట్ హియర్, అంతేనా? వి సిట్స్ ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఐ షుడ్ రైట్ ఆర్ హియర్, ఐ విల్ గెట్ వి హియర్. అంతే, ఓన్లీ టూ పాసిబిలిటీస్. ఓకే, ప్లేస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్. ఐదర్ యూ కెన్ రిమెంబర్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్ ఆల్సో. హియర్ 1 ఛాన్స్ లేదు ఇమీడియట్లీ కాబట్టి డెఫినెట్లీ ఆర్ అండ్ వి, it definitely it should only one possibility, are we here 2 possibilities. Next, 3 persons sits between r and t. Okay, if I take r here, 3 persons ante 1 2 3, so q undi kabatti, so this possibility is wrong. So definitely ikkada r ravali, v here. Okay, I hope you are getting it. So 3 persons ante 1 2 3, t should come here. Ikkada r ante 1 2 3, t should come here. Okay, next, ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ లెటర్ ఏది, PQR S ఇక్కడ, సేమ్ S ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, ద వన్ ఫేసింగ్ V సిట్స్ ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ B. వన్ ఫేసింగ్ V సిట్స్ ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ B అంటే V, ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ అంటే B, ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ B ఫేసింగ్ V, ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ B ఫేసింగ్ V. ఓన్లీ 1 పర్సన్ సిట్స్ బిట్వీన్ D అండ్ B. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ డి ఉండాలి, 1 పర్సన్. ఏ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ డి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, ఎఫ్ సిట్స్ టు ద రైట్ ఆఫ్ ఈ. సో ఓన్లీ 2 ఛాన్సెస్. రైట్ ఆఫ్ ఈ అంటే హియర్ ఈ ఉంటుంది, బికాజ్ ఇది రైట్ కాబట్టి ఇట్లా ఇమీడియట్ అట్లా ఏం మెన్షన్ చేయలే. ఎఫ్ సిట్స్ రైట్ టు ద ఈ, సో ఎనీవేర్ బట్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి రైట్ ఆఫ్ ఈ. ఇక్కడ చూసుకుంటే సేమ్ ఈ ఎఫ్, ఎఫ్ సిట్స్, సో ఆల్ ఫిట్ అయిపోయినాయి. బట్ ఎక్కడ ఉందంటే ఇంకో లాస్ట్ క్లూ, ద వన్ హూ సిట్స్ ఇమీడియట్లీ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ యూ డస్ నాట్ ఫేస్ ఈ. సో యూ హూ సిట్స్ ఇమీడియట్ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ యూ, లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఇస్ క్యూ, క్యూ షుడ్ నాట్ ఫేస్ ఈ. ఎఫ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇది రైట్, యూ లెఫ్ట్ క్యూ, బట్ హియర్ సి, హియర్ ఇమీడియట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఫేసింగ్ ఈ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్ అనమాట. సో మనకి ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్లోనే వస్తుంది, బట్ యునో ఇట్స్ గుడ్ ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ ఆల్సో, బట్ ఐ ప్రిఫర్ టు డూ సైమల్టేనియస్లీ బోత్ అనమాట. హియర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సింపుల్ పజిల్ ఓన్లీ. నౌ వీ విల్ టేక్ ది క్వశ్చన్స్. అన్నీ వచ్చేసినాయి లెటర్స్, 14 లెటర్స్. ఓకే, హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ ఆర్ సిట్టింగ్ బిట్వీన్ డి అండ్ ఏ? 1 2 3. విచ్ పేర్ సిట్స్ ఆన్ ది ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ ఎండ్స్? PS CE, PS, అచ్చా ఈ పి కూడా ఉంది కదా, SSC. హూ ఫేసెస్ G? V. హూ సిట్స్ టు ద ఇమీడియట్ రైట్ ఆఫ్ ద వన్ హూ ఫేసెస్ F? F ఫేస్కి ఇమీడియట్ రైట్ అంటే ఇక్కడ U. హూ సిట్స్ థర్డ్ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ R? R లెఫ్ట్ అంటే 1 2 3 క్యూ. ఓకే, ఇది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద పజిల్. ఓకే, సి టుడేస్ పార్ట్ ఆల్సో ఈజీ పజిల్స్ ఓన్లీ, 2 puzzles and 2 alpha series, I mean alphabet series. But these 2 puzzles also I feel like, since I didn't write SBI, but you know while I was practicing I feel like you know puzzles are doable. No, it will not take, even you know if you are not good at puzzles also, with little bit practice also in exam you can practice, you know you can score, you know out of 4 puzzles. You know previous years questions also I observed this. Okay, this is purely based on previous year. Out of 30 questions, you know 4 puzzles will get to see anamata, 3 pakka. Okay, that is 15 marks. Half of your paper is puzzles. So even if you score 2 also, you will get 20. Obviously everyone, okay, there shouldn't be any doubt. Okay, if you want to be on the list, don't feel like only you will solve the miscellaneous. 100% with 100% accuracy, be it syllogisms, blood relation, directions, whatever miscellaneous topic you will get in exam, everyone will solve. But the only difference that will help you to get score అనేది puzzles anamata. So practice puzzles more and try to, you know, after you are getting, you know, initially work out on the getting right answers, ante how to solve, how to take clues in perfect way, how to take possibilities ane. After you feel like okay, you are getting puzzles in 5 to 8 minutes, or even some puzzles will take 10 minutes, but preliminary level you will get in less than 7, max 5 minutes. But bring that 5 minutes to less than 2.5, or if you want to solve more than 2 puzzles ante, in 2 minutes you should solve the puzzle, remaining 15 seconds. Okay, even if you take 2 seconds per question also, you like 3 seconds or 4 to seconds if questions here simple only. See, after questions also, puzzle also simple, and the question also simple only. Sometimes the question will be lengthy anamata. Such questions you can say 7 to 8 seconds anamata. But try to solve puzzle in exam, try to solve puzzle in 3 minutes. Okay, then you will get to solve 3 puzzles. Okay, all are moderate level. Okay, not that much time taking, difficult and em ledu. So I have solved one paper, and this is the one paper. In next video I will take another memory based paper, and same I will do in this same way in 2 parts. Okay, 15 questions, 15 questions. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. If you feel like it's taking some time, okay, you are not getting use about with this video ante, at least try to take screenshot and practice the questions. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.